Welcome to Canes Calendar. To get started, enter your first name, last name, college, major, minor, track, and graduation year on this page to move on.
On the schedule page, you'll find your different inputs for how to actually optimize your schedule. Starting on the far left side of the screen, you're going to be able to input possible courses. You can find all departments under the Department tab. Select the appropriate department and then the number of the course which you're looking to take. Now that you've input all of the courses that you want to take, you move on to the busy times, where you can select a time of day or every day of the week where you don't want to be taking classes. So now that we've filled out all our busy times, you can see that on Wednesday and Friday we want to sleep in a little bit more and we don't want to take classes from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And on Tuesdays, say you have work or another conflict, you don't have to take classes between 3:30 and 4:45. So now that you've filled out all of your busy times and you've chosen all the possible courses that you want to take in the coming semester, you can choose your course load. You can take as many courses or as few courses as you want. For this case, let's say 4. When we hit Find Schedule, what we're going to see is that we're running an optimization process where we're going to choose between the possible courses that you could take and find the best 4 courses for you to take, meeting your time requirements. Now you see you've landed on the schedule results page where you can see that your total score was a 93.43% for the different professors that you'll be taking. You have the option between multiple schedules if the first one you find you don't like. You can also see that in the schedule, you can click on individual courses to get a summary. For instance, you'll get your professor, their score on Rate My Professor, as well as My UM, and then their combined score according to CanesCalendar. You can see that all of our time restraints have been met, and that this is the best possible course for you to be taking. Should you not want to take any of these particular classes, or decide that you actually didn't want a class in that certain time frame, you could easily go back to the schedule page, which saves all of your input information, and either delete them or change your busy times.
If you're looking for a rating for a certain professor, it's easy to find. By going to the search page, you can search for any professor in the database. Let's search for Professor Chen. Here you see all of the results that come up, along with the courses they teach, the My UM ratings, the Rate My Professor ratings, and CanesCalendar ratings. Additionally, you can search for courses here as well. Let's search for Marketing 340. Here you see on this page, you'll find the title of the class, the code for the class, how many credits that class is worth, open slots available in that section of the class, the professor, and their CanesCalendar rating as well. Additionally on this page, you can also search for an entire department's listings. Let's search for the entire marketing department's listings. You'll see it's the same readout with all of the results for the marketing classes in the upcoming semester.
Again, welcome to CanesCalendar, and we hope that this website helps you optimize your schedule for this and coming semesters.